Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The National Museum of the American Indian is a testament to resilience and the enduring power of indigenous voices. Its curved limestone exterior mimics natural rock formations, signaling that this is no ordinary archive. Inside, it's a vibrant celebration of diverse cultures from across the hemisphere. This isn't just a look at the past, it's a powerful exploration of living traditions, sovereignty, and the deep spiritual connection between people and land.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.